Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading recap for the 16th of May, Friday. And today was another good day in the markets. We had 4 trades. We were 3 for 1 and ended up pulling 3 3/4 points out of the market. Our first trade was unsuccessful, so I think that's very interesting to talk about, and I want to talk about that a little bit. The market opened right here with this big bar, and it was definitely very interesting. What we did is we ended up taking a long up here, and it looked like it was going to hold at first. The market bought up, it sold off a little bit into the open. We got long and it chopped around a little bit, and then it went lower and stopped us out. So first trade was unsuccessful, and I think that's very interesting to talk about, just because I've seen a lot of new traders, some even novice traders who've been trading for a couple years or so. They go into that tailspin whenever they have an unsuccessful trade, or their first trade of the day is unsuccessful. They just go into that tailspin. Well, I have to make it back. I have to make it back. I have to make it back. You're kind of like the little engine that could, but instead of climbing the mountain, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, they're actually descending from a mountain that they should be going up. So they're doing the opposite thing of the little engine that could. If you don't know that, it's a great story. It's a children's book that I was read to when I was little, and I think it's a really good story. But the little engine that could, if you don't know the story, he tried to climb the mountain. All the big trains were powerful; they could climb the mountain. He was a little engine, and the thought was he couldn't climb it. He couldn't climb the mountain, but he was determined. And as he was climbing it, sorry, that was the bell, the market just closed. As he was climbing the mountain, he kept telling himself, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. So he was using that positive reinforcement. Whereas a lot of new traders, some seasoned traders even, they will miss their first trade or miss a trade. It doesn't have to be their first one, and they just go into that downward spiral, and they just keep thinking about the negative effects. I have to make the money back. I can't believe I lost. That was a stupid trade. And they just keep going over all of that, and it just becomes a tailspin, and their day just becomes horrible. It goes from negligible to horrible. This trade, it was unsuccessful. It didn't kill us. We were still there. But what we do from there really does determine if, what kind of traders we actually want to be. And, sometimes it's a lot more psychologically rooted, and it's a lot more difficult to do. It's much easier said than done. And I know that for a fact, because it was difficult for me to overcome that. So I know it's difficult. But anyway, after that unsuccessful trade, we waited for a little bit, and then we decided that we were going to take our next trade, which was a short right up here. So we got short, market came down, kind of chopped around a little bit. We got out over here, and then we kind of watched things. The market kind of shot back up, and we did get short over here, and we took profit down here. So we took some quick profit. Market came down, came back up, and then we kind of just watched it to see what it was going to do. And as the market did come down, we got short down here, and we took profits down here. So after that, we watched things. The market did come up, it came down, and then it just shot higher. So we kind of watched things, didn't really see too much ability to get in. We did miss a trade, and it happens. But all in all, definitely a good day. We pulled out 3 3/4 points, and we traded within our means. Whereas yesterday, we could have made some more, but in hindsight, we could have. During the day, I thought we did fairly decent. Today was definitely a decent day, and the best thing is we can go into the weekend, not think about trading at all, and just have fun. And that's really what life is all about, is having fun. Life is not about work. It's not about oh, I've traded for 24 hours straight. Who would do that? That's just crazy. But life is about having fun. So we can go into the weekend, we can go out, we can have fun, enjoy our friends and family, and then come back Monday and do it all over again. And that's pretty much how it works. That's what trading is. It's not as glamorous as people like to show, but I think it's awesome. You can literally spend 4 or 5 hours a day and make a decent income. Now, in the beginning, you're going to spend much more than that. But once you learn the ropes, you become comfortable with trading, you have a trading plan that you adhere to and you can follow, and it's probably going to be like that. But saying starting out 5 hours a day, you're going to make a really good income, that's pie in the sky. I don't think that's realistic. But you learn everything. It's like saying if you had to work 12 hours a day for 3 years, but after that 3 years time, you could cut that down to 6 hours a day and make a comfortable income. You put in numerical value, basically. Is it worth it? That's basically what trading is, and in a nutshell. It's basically what it is. You have to put in a lot of time to learn. It is a difficult business. It's not easy to learn. A lot of people make it sound easy, but it's not. And one thing I don't do is I'm not going to lie to you to anything. It is what it is. Trading's difficult. It's even difficult if you've been trading for a while. I don't know anybody who would dispute that. But anyway, I don't want to make too long of a video because no one's going to watch it. So hopefully you enjoyed it. You can always leave comments below. You can also email me if you want. Support at abusinesswithtrading.com. A lot of people prefer to ask questions that way, and that's cool with me. Like I said, there's no such thing as a dumb question. Ask away. I'm an open book. If you ask me something I might not know the answer, I can always find it. That's what Google and other people are for, pretty much. But I have a core competency, and that's pretty much what I stick to. So with that, thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here next week in the markets. Thank you.